My lips were a little dry, so I decided to apply this lip balm on my lips, and this one here is from Rhode. I like this a lot because it's a peptide lip balm and it's got this raspberry color which looks so pretty, like a purplish pink going on, and it instantly makes my lips soft. So yeah, I got this one from a brand on Instagram. They sell these, so I just got it from them and I'm loving this. So yeah, getting back to the video. The first product for this video is this cute clip which I have. This one here, this is how it looks like, okay? It's Barbie clip and it's pink in color, needless to say, and I love what's happening over here. This beautiful detailing on it. There's Barbie written, there's a silver heart, there are these glasses you can see. It's basically the I hope it's getting focused for you guys. So this is the cooling glasses, and then there's also this claw clip kind of a thing. So yeah, I really love this. It's so pretty. It's for rupees 300. It's expensive, guys, but because it's Barbie X Mini, so I don't mind paying that. And the quality of the clip is also very sturdy, and it's got a really tight and a nice grip. I'm sure it look really pretty on my hair and I can't wait to use this. Next up, I got this really cool mouse pad. So this one is a rubber material and it's got this neon pink background with white text called Barbie. I love it a lot. And there's also like a Barbie right here wearing like a pony, and I like the fact that it will go very well with my desk, because my desk is baby pink and this one is a light neon, light pink kind of a vibe. So that's why I got this, and this one here is for rupees 300 again. I know it's again something which will a little bit hatke, you know, alag thoda hai, because see, even my pencil pouch over here and all of these things which I actually own, my fan, everything, I kind of like it in baby pink. And now when I actually look around, I think I have a thing for baby pink. I love the color baby pink, and this pink just adds to it and makes it a great accessory for my study table and for my work desk. So yeah, this is the second thing that I got. Next up, I got this really pretty pen. This one is pink in color again. It's a gel pen. It's got this cute detailing of a Barbie jacket, and I really like this. There was an option to buy the same kind of a pen with a car instead of this jacket. There was one, and there was also a picture of Barbie with the ponytail that I showed you from the mouse pad. That one was also there, but I kind of like this and I kind of connected to this particular pen, so I got it. I have a very huge affinity towards stationery, and I really like collecting stationery and using them also. So yeah, this is something which I would love to use and journal with. Then I got these. These are basically washi tapes, and they're really good for people who journal, or if you're somebody who's very creative and would like to use this in your art book or something, you can go for it. It's got this really pretty detailing of like a Barbie car. There's a jacket that you see on the pen, the similar thing is there, and all things Barbie. So I really like this and I picked it up. And this is 4 set of tapes in one, and I paid 200 rupees for this. So it's super cute and I really love it. So yeah, this is what I got next. After this, I got this it's an organizer. See, it looks like this. This is basically a medicine organizer, guys. I have been having supplements now, basically multivitamins, and I like to put them inside this particular organizer because I would remember taking my supplements on time, and also I did not have an organizer before, and because of which I used to miss having my medicines, but also because I was really attracted because it was a Barbie thing, so I went on and picked this up. This is super compact and portable, can just slip into the bag very easily. It's in plastic and it is for rupees 170. I think it's a good price for an organizer. And you get a lot of different kinds of tablet organizers now. You get them in like themes of like maybe Mickey, Tweety organizer or something like that. So I really like this, so I picked this one up. That's a close-up, and yeah, it's super cool. I love it. Next up, I got a handheld mirror, and this is how it looks like. This is one of my favorite things that I got amongst the whole collection. This one is really good material quality, and also the clarity of the mirror is top notch, so I couldn't just let it go. And I also love the heart in pink with the Barbie detailing on the back. It looked great when I'm shooting any kind of video, or even when I'm just using it for myself when I'm applying mascara or any kind of kajal or something. It looks so good. So I got this. This one is retailed for ₹300, and yeah, that is the next thing that I got. I really love this one as well. I think I've been telling this for each and every product that I've got. Each of them I took more than 2 to 3 minutes just to think if I have to buy it or not, because itne sare collection the, and I wanted to just buy something which I could use well, and also something which I find really good amongst the other things which I kind of did not pick up. So yeah, that one is my favorite. And now we come to the last product which I got from Barbie X Miniso yesterday, and that is this one, guys. Can you see it? It is a mini bag, and it is so freaking pretty. I love this, and the minute I saw this, I couldn't let it go. There was a small split second of a thought. मुझे confusion था दो ऐसे bags में से. There was one which was this one in black, and there was another one which was like a rubbery, not a rubbery plasticky. And there were two kinds actually. One was a rubbery kind of a bag which was pink in color, and there was another one which was also pink, but it was giving that plastic vibe. And this one is cloth. It is so gorgeous. Look at the detailing. That clip is so good. So you just have to spin it and it opens like that, and it will easily hold like your lipstick, it will hold cards, it will hold all your small things. It could be like a sanitizer. You can put in all the essentials inside this, and it looks so freaking stylish. I really love this. And there's this thing, this pearl that's going on. You can just hold the bag like this, and it'll be such a cute accessory, just like as is. And also they've given a silver chain. The silver chain, you can like open it up and wear this around like a sling bag sort of a thing. Also the chain is pretty huge, guys, so I'll just show it to you. The chain in itself, it's super long. Like if you just see, it's extremely long. Can be worn like in two ways, I would say. One is like aise hi upside, say you can just wear it like on the side, and another way is you can wear it diagonally, like, you know, like how you wear a sling bag, you can just wear it. And also the quality of this, if you just look, this is so sturdy and so good. I really think it's a great buy, and I always wanted to buy something as compact as this one, and finally buying it from the Barbie collection in Miniso just made my day yesterday. And I took a solid 6 to 8 minutes just to compare the different kind of bags that they've got, and then I put my hands on this, and then I was like deciding and finalized this particular one only, because ये वो है ना कि इसमें क्लॉथ मटेरियल का बना हुआ है. जो ये बारबी का लोगो आप देख रहे हो, दिस थिंग हियर इज एम्ब्रॉयडरी. इसे चिपका नहीं गया है, इट्स बेसिकली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड ऑन टू द बैग. और जो पर्ल्स उन्होंने दी है रखी है यहाँ पे, इट्स सुपर luxurious amount of work that they've done on this is really good. I also like the base. The base also feels like fox leather, and it's really cool. And yeah, overall it's a great bag. This is retailed for ₹800. I know price सुनते ही आप लोग सोचेंगे कि it's so expensive, but the amount of detailing that's gone on it, and also the quality of the bag in itself, and the quality of all the things like the sling का जो है, the pearls, the embroidery, the material of the bag, the amount it will fit, like the base of the bag, the fox leather, everything, and the detailing of this lock over here, everything is really top notch. So I would pay that money and buy it. So altogether, when I put down the prices of everything, it was less than 3K. I think I spent around 2,600 or so. That was the budget I kept for Miniso, but Barbie का अलग से अगर मैं लेती हूँ तो I think I spent around 2.3ish, I guess 2.2 या 2.3 हुआ था. I also got two other things from Miniso yesterday. This one here is a mini brush. It is for concealing and also for correcting. So इसमें क्या है, there's one छोटू सा brush right here. This one helps concealing under eyes, and also you can use that brush has like two kinds of a tip to it. This side there is one kind of a brush. This can be used for like at the inner corner of your eye when you want to just add a little bit of highlighter. I also have these cute mini puffs. These can be used for setting your under eyes and also for setting and just touching up your face. So I got this. This one is for rupees 260. I got these books, guys. I love journaling and I love writing in these books. Basically these books here, its MRP is 260, but I got it on 100 rupees off. So I got these two books for rupees 160 because they were running a discount yesterday. So yeah, these kind of books are easy to carry around. They have like the pages are stitched together. They come in really pretty colors. The quality of the pages are also really good. And for somebody like me who likes to journal in cafes, I like journaling sometimes whenever I'm like, you know, I'm traveling and I have a thought to write and content idea to write down. I just think that I should have a notebook in my bag so I can just slip it outside, write down what's going on, slip it back in. So I don't want to carry any kind of like a bulky book which makes my office bag super heavy. So I prefer books like these. So I got this one. And that's it for this haul. These were all the things I got from Miniso x Barbie and from Miniso all in all. I hope you liked my video and I hope you enjoyed my endless banter on my love for Barbie. If you did, please hit the like button. Please share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye and take care.